Go down the window. DJ58, Lisa, and another one. Hey, we need to talk. Set that stuff down, okay? I need your driver's license. I need you to open the door for me, okay? Hey, open the door. Hey. DJ58, she's trying to take off from me if people next to that. Open the door now. Put the car in park right now. Put the car in park right now. Put the car in park right now. Don't do that. Put the car in park right now. Open your door. Put your car in park right now. Put the car in park. We walk around and bring some of that brick up. Sorry, that's for me. Turn off the car right now. Turn off the car. You're not going anywhere. Don't reverse. Hey, stop. Hey, stop right now! Stop your car! You. Shoot your hands! 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 So sorry, I'm trying to get 3 and 3. When you still in the car. I'd be at 13. Keep for you. Put your hands! Hands! Hey guys, let's call her back to go for the car. Driver, step out of the car right now! Hey, I'm coming over there. Stop right to that door!
If we have to leave K9, if you don't come out of the car, you're going to get bit. Come out with your hands up or you're going to get bit by the dog.
Hey, are you good? Is it?
She just injected a needle into her arm.
Injected a needle into her arm, 1536.
She did that several times while she was with me.
Not sure if we advise dog out, dog out.
Copy, dog out.
I got a window breaker.
You're reaching under the airbag, throwing items in the back seat, and still in the glove box.
Target moving up. I'm on low.
Copy, reaching under airbag, bringing items to the back.
Dog in, dog in.
Keep your hands up! Hands up!
It's fine, pull the dog out. Hey, pull the dog out. I can see your hand. She just has a phone in her hand right here. She's got a phone in this. Hey, hit on. Okay, I'll unlock it.
Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Watch out for the dog!
Yeah, she was just sitting there injecting needles in her arm while I was trying to get her out.
Hey, you okay?
Oh, I'm good.
I saw her hitting hard, right? She gets damn hard. Yeah, she rammed hit and then hit that full too.
There'll be 2 1050s.
3 1050s.
Careful for needles, guys.
No, that was before. I'm saying, what was I doing? When I was just sitting at the gas station.
Well, I'll read you your Miranda rights and we can have a chat, okay?
For what?
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand these rights that I read to you? It's a yes or no question. You can say no. Yes, no, maybe so. All right, cool.
I don't know if it's time for me to talk to you at all. I see someone down and stuff, but this is one of my employees' cars, so if you guys need...
Are they aware?
Yeah, I honestly saw what was going on, and I grabbed my key and locked the front doors and stuff.
Smart.
Yeah, thank you. He has really bad luck with his cars and people getting them, so... yeah, I think in my rush... in my rush to lock the doors, I think I probably got myself with the screwdriver a little bit. Yeah, that's
You
fine.
lock the front door with a screwdriver?
You can use an Allen key, but we were... one of my prep girls said that she saw a second individual get out of the car earlier, maybe.
Oh, okay.
She said she thought she saw someone get out of the car and, take off.
At what point?
Before this.
Yeah, have her come out.
Yeah, to be awesome.
And have the owner of the car come out.
Yeah.
Dude, we don't have any cars left.
I will take the weekend off. You can borrow mine.
You saw someone, at what point did that person get out of the car?
So I'm pretty sure it was when the cop car pulled up over there. I saw someone get out of the car in a brown hoodie with a gun and then run for it that way. And then I was just
Brown hoodie, male, female.
And
that way?
Can you just do name, phone number, and date of birth, and then just description of those things? So I'm going to go check with the gas station now for footage.
Unless it was a third-party witness, I didn't see anyone else. I didn't see anyone back, unless I'm blind.
Well, that's a problem telling me.
That'd be news to me.
Okay, well, we'll just check.
I walked up and she was literally just she was burning on a little can. I was about to inject. She looked up at me and then she instantly put the car in drive. It took her a second to figure it out and then she just backed into my car. Hey, what's your name? You have to tell me your name.
I plead the fifth.
What?
Plead the fifth.
You can't plead the fifth to telling me your name. If you don't identify yourself, I'm gonna add another charge. Or we can just do this. Sir, you are using drugs right in front of me. All right.
Manager that would have video footage. Perfect. We have a report that male exited the vehicle as a cop arrived. We'll just double check so I can rule it out. Okay, officer shows up. That's okay.
Let me slow it down just a bit.
Just there. Go back.
Oh, sorry. It only records when something moves right here, so it tends to lag, but...
So that person just probably, okay, they're probably associated with their vehicle.
Yeah,
Then.
and I was watching. I was in this window, and I never saw any other people around because I pretty much told everyone to go inside at that point.
No known person that left the vehicle.
Yeah, that was a good. I thought that was going to be me, but she swerved at the last second and went to him. I was about ready to just come and end it, and then I was like, crap, I don't have my seatbelt on, so I slowed down, and she took that chance to swerve away from me and go straight into him. Sorry, LT.
Why are you sorry, dude?
It's my call. Yeah, no, I wasn't even in my car, so she just backed into it, and then Stansfield's really the one that took the hit. So
Where'd she hit your car?
I parked behind her, and they come behind it, and she just threw it in reverse and went straight back. So you can see the push bumper just messed up and pushed in.
Check video footage. Given it's based on motion, so it does jump. But we have the RP. Oh, dude. Nice catch. We have the RP who called in and she went up to the car while the ladies passed out. She's reporting it was only a single occupant.
Did we find any loaded needles? Because she just shot herself up like 7 times as soon as
I can't find any. I bet you she did right where they roll out.
Okay, well, I mean, I saw her use her in front of me, so she'll get possession either way.
I want to sincerely apologize to you for not finding her original.
No, you're good, man. Well, as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, that's what it is.
Yeah.
And she's 55. But then I pull up, and she's literally got a lighter underneath the can, heroin, and loading up a needle. And then she looks up and just starts the car, puts it in drive, and then starts shooting up more. I'm just banging on the window. I'm like, I got my flashlight out and everything, trying to break through it, and nothing.
This suspect was charged with aggravated assault, failure to respond to an officer's signal to stop, 3 counts of possession of a controlled substance, use or possession of drug paraphernalia, 2 counts of interfering with a peace officer, driving with a measurable controlled substance, failure to comply at a vehicle accident or property damage, and reckless driving. Court records indicate she pleaded guilty to third-degree felony charges of property damage with a loss greater than $5,000, failure to respond to an officer's signal to stop, reckless endangerment, and driving with a measurable controlled substance. The rest of the charges were dismissed. On July 16, 2025, she was sentenced to an indeterminate term of not to exceed 5 years in the Utah State Prison for her felony charges. However, the prison term was suspended. She was also ordered to be placed in the Utah County Jail for 15 months, but will only serve a year.
Why is it in America we treat vehicles as if they're just cars when in reality they can instantly become one of the deadliest weapons in the street? And in my opinion, no knife or gun compares to the devastation that a driver can cause when they choose to. And I'll tell you what hits me harder than the noise in these body cams. It's the silence. That dead stare when the officer and the suspect locked eyes, it was no words, just defiance. You can kind of feel the temperature drop when you watch it back because you can feel something's coming. Because honestly, I hope none of you could act like that when an officer's banging on your window. But she just ignored the law with no hesitation. And I've seen how addiction destroys health, and it actually erases fear, and that loss of fear makes them extremely unpredictable, which is what many cops fear most. And what does that say about society when first responders at a gas station have to carry both Narcan and bulletproof vests? Because they never know if they're walking into an overdose or an ambush. But my question is, when someone is so deep into drugs that they're willing to risk prison and pain and even death just to get that one more hit, so do we treat it as a crime or as an illness? And the sad part is, cops have to deal with this while we figure out the answer.